Today, we're thrilled to introduce the Bollinger Bands Strategy Expert Advisor, available for both MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. Whether you're a long-time MT4 user or prefer the advanced features of MT5, this EA is designed to help you achieve consistent results. The Bollinger Bands Reversal EA is built on a versatile and highly effective trading strategy. It offers multiple entry and exit options to suit a wide range of trading styles and market conditions. Let's break it down. For entering trades, you can choose between two strategies. Entry Strategy 1. This option buys on the reversal at the lower Bollinger Band and sells on the reversal at the upper Bollinger Band. It's perfect for traders who prefer mean reversion setups. Entry Strategy 2. Alternatively, this strategy buys when the price crosses above the upper band and sells when the price crosses below the lower band, which is ideal for breakout traders. When it comes to exiting trades, the EA offers 4 flexible options. Exit Strategy 1. Exit buy trades on reversal at the upper band and sell trades on reversal at the lower band. Exit Strategy 2. Close buy trades when the price crosses below the lower band and sell trades when the price crosses above the upper band. Exit Strategy 3. Exit buy trades when the price crosses below the middle band and sell trades when it crosses above the middle band, providing a balanced approach. Exit Strategy 4. Disable automatic exits entirely. This option is particularly useful if you are using grid, hedge, or martingale strategies for loss recovery. The moving average filter enables trades that align with the broader trend based on a higher time frame moving average. Uptrend condition allows buy trades when the close price is above the moving average. Downtrend condition allows sell trades when the close price is below the moving average. Only one entry or exit strategy can be active at a time. If you're using advanced recovery strategies like grid, hedge, or martingale, we recommend disabling the exit strategy to avoid conflicts and ensure smooth trade management. This EA doesn't stop at strategy. It gives you full control over key features, including position sizing. Manage risk dynamically with customizable position sizes tailored to your trading goals. Loss recovery strategies. Choose from 3 powerful options: Martingale, Grid, and Hedge. These strategies are completely optional and can be adjusted or turned off based on your risk tolerance. Drawdown protection. Safeguard your account with settings that stop trading if drawdowns exceed your limits. Spread and slippage filters. Ensure trades are executed only under optimal conditions. Efficient, non-lagging indicators. The EA uses advanced indicators that deliver real-time accurate signals. Day and time filters. Set specific days and trading hours to match your preferred trading sessions, ensuring the EA operates only when you're most comfortable with market conditions. Low resource consumption. This EA is optimized to perform without slowing down your trading platform. Alerts and notifications. Stay informed with on-screen pop-ups, audio alerts, and notifications via email or mobile push. Before diving deeper, let's take a quick look at the product page for this expert advisor. This page provides a comprehensive functional and feature walkthrough of the EA, ensuring you have all the details you need before making a decision. The product page for this expert advisor is designed to give you a quick overview of its functionality and features. Here's what you'll find. The page provides a concise explanation of the Bollinger Bands strategy, detailing how the EA identifies and acts on reversal opportunities. You'll find links to essential guides, including the general settings or input guide, indicator settings or input guide, and backtests and set files to help you get started. For MetaTrader 5 users, The page provides a direct link to the MT4 counterpart and vice versa, ensuring seamless cross-platform compatibility. For example, the MT5 version page includes a link to the MT4 product page, and the MT4 page links to the MT5 product page. Now, let's talk about one of the biggest challenges in trading: adapting to changing market conditions. That's why we've conducted extensive optimizations for this EA. Here's how it works. We tested the EA across multiple currency pairs and timeframes to identify the best performing settings. The optimization process included a detailed analysis of spread conditions, risk levels, and trading hours, ensuring consistent performance across different scenarios. Extensive backtesting was conducted over a 2 to 10 year span, making the results highly reliable and reflective of various market conditions. You can download these optimized set files from our blog, saving you hours of trial and error. And now, let's talk about performance. We ran rigorous backtests on the optimized settings, and the results are impressive. It shows consistent profit growth across various market conditions, low drawdowns to protect your capital, a high profit factor, ensuring trades are profitable relative to risk. Now let me run some backtest results for you. Our commitment doesn't stop at delivering a great EA. We're always looking for ways to improve without compromising its existing features. That's why you can expect new strategies and updates in the future, ensuring the EA stays relevant in ever-changing markets. Still wondering if this EA is right for you? We've got you covered. Request a 7-day trial version to test it risk-free and see how it fits your trading style. Reach out to us to get started. Again, don't forget to check out our blog for optimized set files, detailed input explanations, and tips to get started. All links are available in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more powerful trading tools and strategies. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.